Hey, it's April 8th, 2018, and we're going to church. I feel like every vlogger has like a thing that they open with. Mine's gonna be this. I'm gonna look at my watch, I'm gonna tell you the date and the year, and then what I'm doing today. What's in your grape juice? Tell me.
Egg whites, a red juice that has lots of vitamins in it, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and all the spinach.
Apple cider vinegar, how's that taste?
Can't taste it today, but I normally just like doop doop, like and so some days that ends up being more than others, and you just have to appreciate what it's doing for your body, and it's less about the taste. Hi David, bye.
See ya. We just did church. We youth group leaders. I have the senior boys. Which year is McLaren?
Sophomore girls.
Sophomore girls. Last night I was talking with one of our coaches about having open gym today, whether or not we should have it. We had really decided no, we weren't gonna do it this weekend because no one had been bugging us that much about open gym. And then this morning someone texted like, "Hey, are we doing open gym today?" And I was like, "Well, we kind of decided we weren't going to." And then I was just sitting around and I couldn't sit. I was like, "Okay, screw it. We're doing open gym." So we're doing open gym. That is actually probably the biggest thing that's changed in my life since losing all the weight that I've lost and changing my lifestyle, is I just like can't veg like I used to. People call that like increased energy. People call it, I would say like, oh, I've got so much more energy now that I'm healthy. I like to call it ambition. That's a cool word to use for it, but ambition doesn't always equal productivity. I can't sit still. So my plan was gonna be strict handstand push-ups, then muscle ups. And I went to do one muscle up and my lat on my left side hurts. And my tricep on my left side up by my shoulder hurts. So, donezo, not doing anything else. It's just Sunday, I don't care. We're gonna do pull-ups this week. And I wanna feel like a spring chicken for that workout. Look, me and Mike match. Dark blue shirt, black shorts. Dark blue shirt, black shorts. This is your creation. What do you think?
So spicy.
This chili, paleo chili, is really bomb. So bomb that I'll put the link in the bio. If you're watching on YouTube, gotta go to YouTube to get that link. My wife made it. You can have the link, you can't have my wife, she's mine.